Navigating ISF Submission for Sanitary Imports. Welcome to our video on ISF Submission for Sanitary Measures. In this video, we will explore the importance of Importer Security Filing, ISF, compliance for import shipments that involve sanitary measures. We will discuss how the ISF submission process plays a vital role in ensuring the smooth customs clearance of goods subject to sanitary regulations. Let's get started. Importing goods that are subject to sanitary measures requires compliance with specific regulations to protect public health and safety. These measures are put in place by various authorities, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in the United States, to ensure that imported goods meet sanitary standards. Compliance with these measures starts with the proper and timely filing of the ISF. The ISF serves as a critical document for customs officials to identify shipments that require special attention due to sanitary measures. It requires importers or their agents to provide specific information about the cargo, including details about the goods, its packaging, and the shipper before vessel departure. This information helps customs authorities assess whether the goods comply with the applicable sanitary regulations. The timely submission of the ISF is essential for importers of goods subject to sanitary measures. Importers must ensure that the ISF is filed at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure to allow customs officials and relevant authorities ample time to review and verify the information provided. Late submissions can lead to delays in the customs clearance process and may raise concerns about the importer's compliance with sanitary regulations. Accurate and thorough completion of the ISF is equally important for ensuring compliance with sanitary measures. Importers must provide precise and detailed information on the goods being imported, including product descriptions, packaging materials, and any certifications or test results that demonstrate compliance with sanitary regulations. Failure to provide accurate information can result in additional scrutiny, delays in clearance, and potential penalties. Importers should work closely with their customs brokers to ensure that the ISF includes all the necessary information related to sanitary measures. Customs brokers are familiar with the specific requirements of different regulatory agencies, such as the FDA, and can provide valuable guidance on the types of information that need to be included in the ISF to meet sanitary compliance standards. In addition to the ISF, importers of goods subject to sanitary measures may need to provide additional documentation to demonstrate compliance with the applicable regulations. This can include certificates of analysis, lab test reports, product registrations, or other specific paperwork. Importers should consult with their customs brokers or regulatory experts to determine which additional documentation is required and ensure their timely submission. Regular communication and collaboration between importers, customs brokers, and other relevant parties are crucial for ensuring the successful submission and compliance of the ISF for goods subject to sanitary measures. This ensures that all parties involved have the necessary information and expertise to handle the import process effectively, from pre-arrival requirements to post-arrival inspections. Importers must also stay up to date with changes in sanitary regulations that may impact their imported goods. Sanitary standards and requirements can evolve over time, and it is crucial for importers to remain informed about any modifications or new regulations. This allows importers to proactively adjust their processes, documentation, and ISF submission to comply with the most current sanitary measures. To facilitate the smooth customs clearance of goods subject to sanitary measures, importers should consider implementing quality control and compliance programs within their supply chains. These programs can include regular inspections, testing protocols, and comprehensive record-keeping to ensure that goods meet the required sanitary standards. Such measures can help streamline the ISF submission process and minimize the risk of delays or non-compliance. Importers should also be aware that certain goods subject to sanitary measures may require additional permits, licenses, or registrations from the appropriate regulatory authorities. Importers should consult with their customs brokers or regulatory experts to ensure that all necessary permits and registrations are obtained prior to the ISF submission. This helps to ensure a smooth customs clearance process and compliance with sanitary regulations. In the event of any changes or updates to the goods subject to sanitary measures after the ISF has been submitted, importers should promptly inform their customs brokers and the relevant regulatory authorities. They should follow the necessary procedures to update or amend the ISF to reflect the revised information accurately. Timely communication and compliance with post-submission requirements are key to maintaining ISF compliance for sanitary measures. Importers should also consider working with customs attorneys or regulatory experts specializing in sanitary measures to ensure full compliance. These professionals have in-depth knowledge of the specific regulations and can provide guidance on meeting the sanitary requirements and anticipating any potential challenges or changes that may impact the ISF submission. In conclusion, compliance with sanitary measures is of utmost importance when importing goods that fall under these regulations. Proper and timely ISF submission is a critical step in ensuring compliance and smooth customs clearance. Importers must provide accurate information, collaborate with customs brokers and regulatory experts, and stay abreast of sanitary regulations to maintain ISF compliance for goods subject to sanitary measures. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the significance of ISF submission for sanitary measures. By prioritizing ISF compliance and working closely with your customs broker or regulatory experts, you can navigate the requirements and ensure a successful import process. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on customs brokerage and international trade topics.